This weapon represents firearms. Firearm weapon, basically the point of demonstrating this weapon is just to say if you have a firearm, get training and know how to use it and be familiar with various kinds of pistols and longer guns like shotguns and rifles. It's no good having these weapons unless you know how to use them effectively. So an effective range of a weapon is also important to maintain so that you're not too close, that the attacker can take your weapon